Director o Early Learning Education korwa ASH sub-county Chanyamache na Boigo Samete county ya Kisii Raphael Onyego Mukaya nigasegetire abaibori koine kimna komanya bare ali abana babo bagwetera ase mitandao elio kwerusanania na mangana arabasalie nanyana bo nigaburirie abaibori koba angena abana babo elio kobamanya gose kumpimanya ebiegwa byabo ebyo birabakonye asa matuko abosyo.
As a parents, when this is a long holiday that we are heading, ukiona mtoto ya kwamba anaongea mambo mingi, usifikirie ya kwamba ameanza kuongea kama chiriku. This is a talent that we supposed to nurture. Mjue wamekuwa na nani. Msiwache na watu wengine, umeacha na wale mababu zao na cousins. Some of this they spoil them like the girl child. Unapata watoto wameharibiwa pale nyumbani kwa sababu uliwacha na watu ambayo hao hujawaamini ama hujajua wao ni watu wa aina gani. Control the limit of internet to your children. Musiwape ruhusa yote ya kuangalia mambo ya internet. Just what you need to do, this is a long holiday, you make sure that you have at least given them a break on what they watch and see on internet. They have given you very beautiful and handsome children in uniform. Wakikuwa pale nyumbani, don't bring them January back to school. We give them beautiful and handsome villagers in uniform. We want you to nurture them. At least hakikisha kwamba hata pale nyumbani wanasoma kidogo.
As you know, the CBE curriculum takes you through stages from the high school, pre-primary to the primary and to the junior school. When they go into senior school, they already have a pathway of where they are going. By the time they are reaching the tertiary school, our learners are going to be proficient professionals.
When I talk of curriculum-based education for the learners, I support it fully, simply because it has a very good impact to our learners. It teaches learners on how to be independent, and most learners are showing up their talents